Hello guys, how are you? In today's video, we are gonna see how can we create this beautiful login form and sign up form. Let's get started. So first we can create the React tab. I will open my sandbox and we will create the React tab. So this will set up the basic React project that include app.js, index and style.css for styling the component. And we have package.json. So let me get quickly remove everything and start the coding part for it. You can see we are getting the error on the right side because nothing is returned, so that is giving us an error. So first let me create our main component, that is login and register component that reside inside the component folder. So inside component folder we are going to create now a login file that include this page and the sign up component that is going to be rendered. So let me quickly create it. Now I'm also going to create a style.scss file that's gonna keep our all the CSS related stuff. And one more thing, this file is common for login and register because we have same component rendering, that is input field and the logo on the top. So first of all, let me go to the app container file, and I'm going to define the basic skeleton of my app, that is every div. So let me code it quickly so that I can directly get into the logic part. As you can see, we have this component here. So I'm going to register component and I'm writing the code over there. So what I will do, let me get quickly into my register file and I'm going to copy the code so that it won't take much time. So let me get copied it from my local folder, and I will paste that code over here so that it won't take our time, like more time. Let I do it quickly. As you can see, we have our register component here. And also I'm going to upload the logo file that you see, that png from my local. So I'm going to this arrow button, that's upload file from my local, and it's get uploaded. As you can see, we have that login.png, and I'm going to import that file, that is using import file name from the part of the file. And I'm going to export this component. Now I'm going to my login file, and same I will do with login. I will copy the CSS file for that login and register part, and after that I will go to my app.js. In style.css nothing is there, only that CSS, basic CSS, so you can easily get it. After going to my app.js file, I am going to start writing the code here, a logic for rendering login or that register component. This variable, so this variable hold the value whether the button clicked is login or sign up, and based on that we will render our login and sign up component. Now whether that variable is true and false, based on that we will render our login or sign up component. If that variable is true, we are going means that login component should be rendered, so we will render our login component and I will import that component, and after that if it is false we are going to render register component or sign up component. And I'm going to create a function, or you can create a separate file as well, but I'm going to write it in the same file because it is a 4 or 5 line code, so better I will in the same file.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
And also I'm going to create a variable, so that current variable that store the text for the right side element uh, based on what is active. Const current is equal to is login active, then sign up, else it is login.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now moving to style.css file of the parent or app.js. First I will rename it to SCSS. After that I am going to remove every part, and I will copy the same CSS so that you can easily get it. So I will copy the CSS part and will paste it here. On the right side we have this login CSS code applied, which is not looking good, so we will make it work. This is because we haven't provided any CSS to login or register component. So for that also I am going to copy paste the CSS, then it will work.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm going to copy the CSS. I copied and I'm pasting it file. Yeah, as you can see now it's look better. We have login and everything in the center of that login component. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create two variables. That is, first one is container reference, container ref, and using the use ref hook that we have. And since it is not registered, first I will give it null, since it is not, yeah, it got auto imported. Similarly, the second use ref hook I'm going to create, that is right side ref. Right side ref name should be right reference. That's it. I'm going to pass this first one to this login container, and I will name it as container ref, and I will pass it value that container ref. Let me copy. Similarly for register component, let me copy this and I will pass to this register component and also to this element. Yeah, this div element, so it act right. And for this right side ref, I am going to pass it to that right side container here. The right side,
It's not a game, it's a rich
this right side here, the right side ref, and I will name it as that. Me first, I will name it as same container ref props, and I'm going to extract it. Yeah, already extracted. And see, after that, as you can see, it's still not working, so I'm going to create this on click method. So let me pass it here as well, and I will name the function as handle click. And now I'm going to define that function at the top. So handle click. Yes, right now this is empty. We will write the logic here. Let me open the console dot book. Hello guys. Yeah, so I typed it as hello to check whether it is working fine or not, and I will pass it to the very right side component already passes, and I will extract this function, and it's already assigned to this. I already assigned to this. So what it is going to do, whenever I click on this container, console will be there. Let me show you. Yeah, it is working fine. Hello got printed. This is working fine. Now we have to write the logic to toggle this container like this. So when I click on it, what I have to do, I have to remove that particular class and apply the other class here. So for that, one more thing I just noticed, that we have this blue container beside this sign up container. So let me fix it quickly. This is because we provided this right side duplicate class to this div as well. So when I removed it, you can see, yeah, it got removed, and we have this icon only here, like this container only, right? Yeah, everything fine. Now let me first if I go to this app.js style, this is there. If you notice, we have this right side class, but it is not currently being used anywhere in this css file. So what I am going to do, I am going to use effect, so that when our component mounts, that class got loaded to this use effect with empty dependency, so it only run on initial render. And here what I am going to do, I am going to reference that right side ref dot current property, and I will add it class to it, class list dot add with the name of right. Right class is there, right? Let me quickly, yeah, it's already there. I can remove this. CSS is already there. This right class I have applied, but it is not currently being applied here. Let me quickly check why it is so. Right spelling is wrong. Yeah, you can see this class got applied. When we hover over, it's changing its position from -40% to the 50%. This is because of this hover effect, right? So now what I have to do, when I click on this sign up, I want to hide this container, and just want to show this left container. So this is how it works. So I go to my handle click function and I will check if login is active, then else and anything. So if login is active means we have that sign up text, right? Because login active means this login container is in the view and we have that sign up active. So if this is active, what I'm going to do, I will remove the right class from that. So side ref dot current dot class list, similarly dot remove, and class name is this, right? After that remove this class and I will add the left class name to it. Yes, yeah, it is working fine. Similarly for this, because on click is not currently handled, so what I am going to do, remove left class and will add right class here. Yeah, so let me quickly reload it. This is because we remove the right class and just add the left class, and in left class we have that position property here. So similarly when I click on, now is login active is false, so when I click on it, some error is there. Oh, okay, got it. It is not currently working because we have to set is login active as false, like whatever the previous value is, that is negation of this state. Because let me remove it. Yeah, because we have to set login active as the like negation of whatever currently value it have, that's why. So refresh the page, click on it. Yeah, login is now there because login active is false and we are showing. Now when I click on it, it is getting toggled. So yeah, let me quickly open it in another tab so that we can view in the full tab. So you can see when I click on sign up, login sign up component is rendering and we got the login side toggler button, and when I click on login button is login component is rendering and we got this sign up right button. Yeah, so this is got completed. As you can see, the final result and the expected result both are same. So yeah, in this way you can create this beautiful login and sign up form. Thank you guys. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up to the video.